After trying many different designs to allow myself to work in a reclined and super relaxed position for working, this current version is my favorite. I will show you why it's like this, how to build it, and if it is possible to add a large, maybe 27-inch 4K monitor to this design. A few days later, I added a 27-inch 4K monitor from Dell to increase the productivity. More details on this topic later. And I also attached a DIY mouse pad made of wood that secures the Logitech mouse magnetically, so when it reclines, it will not fall off. The whole setup will cost you about less than $200, including the chair, all the hardware included. The main thing is the IKEA cart and the monitor arm with the laptop clamp attachment. It also works with any regular recliner chair. If you've been following my channel, this is the first version with a mini desk attachment, so I can sit in there and recline with a footrest. But this setup also works with this original design, of course. So we can work anywhere from home in a very comfortable position. Certainly you don't need a very expensive office chair like this. So the chair is from Amazon. It's an Amazon Basics, just a regular outdoor recliner chair, so-called zero gravity chair, very compact and basically can lay flat and comes with this headrest. Does not take much space and everything packs in the corner. I can also work in this regular sitting position. I just need to adjust the laptop clamp a little bit, and the height of this arm can also be increased or decreased. I had a very detailed long video on YouTube about how you can use this part as well. Now I have the arm reversed. You know, this is a very flexible monitor arm design. The whole thing can be easily removed. Okay, like this. To increase the stability, I put a very heavy power station down there. Not only it, makes it a lot more stable, it will also provide power source to my laptop using the USB-C connection. I routed all the way here from the arm to the laptop, and there is a USB-C hub glued using the double-sided tape. So it gives me access to SD cards, and I also have a HDMI output to here, which is not being used right now. So it's like this. This clamp is quite secure. I'm not worried about, the laptop falling off. So this is good. With one cable connection, I'm getting power and all the ports, HDMI outputs, SD card readers, and the several USB-A ports. And when not in use, I can collapse it, and this will be in a more compact storage position. MagSafe foam clamp, foam mount is designed for car use, but I put I just stick a suction cup to the side of the cart inside and connected a battery bank, so I can check the battery status to charge the phone when I'm docked in, like the Apple Vision Pro, to have a ultra-wide monitor. With the Apple Vision Pro, this is awesome. I just click connect. It will connect to this laptop. The screen will be blank, and I can be anywhere. I can view a 34-inch, like a 2K or a ultra-wide 49-inch equivalent screen. Can be by the beach or on the moon. It is stored down here. The heavier it gets, the more stable, of course. Now the external monitor has been added to this setup. I'll show you how it works. Everything, again, is powered by this battery bank down there. Thanks to its heavy weight, the whole setup is still very stable as long as this monitor is extended this way. As you can see, the clamp is over here. I can use it in both horizontal and vertical position. And this is my mouse pad secured by friction. One magnetic charging cable that secures the mouse when it's not in use. And the monitor can be rotated because it's mounted on the articulating arm. Out 90 degrees. And if I rotate the screen 270 degrees, this is a very usable screen. And I usually use the screen in vertical mode as it's great for reading long documents. It's very, very productive for coding, for example. And the monitor is sitting kind of on the edge of the IKEA cart, so it's not wobbly at all. A MagSafe car charger, which is not yet connected to the battery bank yet. Otherwise, as soon as I dock in the phone, it starts charging. And again, I can make small adjustments to make the angle optimum and make it more comfortable to use. If I want to sit up, just push the cart away and step out of the chair. This pillow is removable. Now let me show you a bit more about the Dell monitor I'm using. Also bought the monitor arm on Amazon. I have the power cord connected, of course. The white cable is the HDMI cable, which is not being used right now, as I prefer just use the single USB-C with a 65 watts power delivery that goes to the laptop. I used to mount a USB-C hub here, but I don't feel like that's necessary anymore. So with one single USB-C connection, I get power and display signal directly from the Dell 4K monitor. But I still keep this USB-C white cable here, which is connected to the battery bank. And the monitor is also connected to the power bank. Even in this case, if I don't want to use the external monitor, I can just plug in one USB-C white cable to charge the laptop, or I can just connect the whole monitor to the wall power outlet. If I don't want it to be mobile, then one cable will be able to, power everything. But that battery bank down there is mainly for power and weight, of course. With the 100% fully charged, it will last me 10 hours. 35 watts of power total consumption. I think that's a discontinued battery bank from EcoFlow. The Delta Mini, which is not being produced anymore. But it fits perfectly under the IKEA cart. See? I can barely fit it in, and charges pretty fast. I do have to connect the USB-C cable here to charge the phone. Yeah, so that's everything you need to know. I have short videos posted to show you how you can put it all together, but it is very straightforward, isn't it? The only difficult part is to drill the hole. I do want to point out it is possible to add an external keyboard to this setup using the standard VESA mount. I built this wood tray that fits the Apple trackpad and Magic Keyboard. All I gotta do is to swap out the laptop with the keyboard, remove the laptop tray, just depress on this tab, clicks right in. So if you are using a Mac Mini or a desktop machine, PC desktop machine, you can use Bluetooth keyboards and trackpads. And it works exactly the same, but I figure I don't use it that much because why waste the laptop Retina display, a beautiful display, and the built-in keyboard. It's all built-in, trackpad built into the laptop, so why not use it? But it certainly is an option to use the external keyboard. Then you have to put the laptop somewhere else. All right, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Follow for more.